This subject, internal security, you know which paper it is? Huh? GS3, very good. GS3, right? So what is a weightage? It does not have any direct relationship with your prelims, only the mains. And in the mains, it will be, 2 into 10 marks. That is question number 9, question number 10. Every year, every paper, question number 9 and 10 is your internal security. Okay. Question number 19, question number 20. Internal security. Okay. This is 2 into 15 marks. So this is 20 and this is 30. So total weightage is 50 marks. Total weightage in the GS mains paper, 50 marks. And there are two types of concepts. One is your fundamental questions. Okay. And the second type of questions are fundamentally applied questions. Fundamental applied questions. So what are fundamental questions? These are dynamic in nature. Okay, sorry, these are dynamic in nature. Dynamic. That means it depends upon your news. That means your current affairs related. Okay, that is your applied part. And fundamental questions are your static part of questions. Static part of the questions. Fundamental questions are static part. Out of the 4 questions, 1 question will be applied. It depends upon the situation also. It depends upon the news which is coming. Like for example, cyber security. There are a lot of news about the cyber security. Then they can ask you questions about the fundamental applied type of questions. But a maximum type of out of 4, 3 questions will be applied only. Static only. That is your fundamentally based questions. Okay, and alternative years. Okay, alternative years. See here. 2012, if they ask one question related to LWA. 2012, if they asked, example, 2012 they have asked about LWA. LWA means left-wing extremism, Naxalism. Okay. Then 2013, there will be question on Northeast insurgency. Indira, right? 2014, there will be question on is it leap year? Yes. Is it leap year? No. Then directly LWA. If it is 2020 leap year, yes, definitely there will be question on J&K. And this is a pattern that UPSC have set for themselves. Okay, if it might change, okay, this is not fixed. It might change or it might does not change also. Point clear? Yes or no? Leap year, always remember. But last year, it was not a leap year. 2023, they asked a question about Jammu and Kashmir. So pattern changes, but generally, I'm telling you, this is not the fixed pattern. But alternate years, you can expect anyone. Alternate years, you can expect Naxalism or Northeast insurgency. Post-independent India or? Yes? Okay. So alternate years, you can expect any of them. So there will be fundamental, out of this, 3 questions will be static based and 1 question will be maximum 1 question. Okay, 1 question will be your dynamic based. Like example 2016, there was a question on Cyber Dome. But first part of the question was a dynamic part, second part of the question was a static part. What are the initiatives that are being taken by the government of India towards cyber security? This is the static part. Yes or no? So this type of questions. Okay, these are the types of questions, fundamental and fundamentally applied part of questions. Fundamentals are static, fundamental applied are dynamic. Point clear?